Okay guys, so we're here at another renovation that we're doing that's above 180K for a flip that we're working on in Friendship Park. So let's take a look at this flip. It's for one of our out-of-state clients. So let's take a look. All right, so this is in the very early stages. Not a whole lot. We just got this. We're just starting on it. So framing is done, demo is done. There was a big wall here. So this is gonna be living, dining, walk-in. Almost to the other house we have in Friendship Park. You walk into the door, you see the open concept here.
So we create here a huge space. Whenever you walk into the house, you feel that all this, all this space and all this area.
Now that the open concept is done, the place looks amazing. It's just crazy when you think about it. When there was a wall here, now it's all open up, recessed lights, electric is all in, flooring is in.
So this is going to be the kitchen area, and as you guys know, Kareem has already probably thought about sink. No rough-ins done yet, so we haven't really done anything yet. We just took the walls down, but thinking about appliances, we got a window here, right? Is the sink going to go here? Sink is going to go here. So you're going to have sink, stove, and the fridge right here.
Yeah.
So yeah, still haven't started the rough-in. I think the rough-in is starting tomorrow. So once we finish the demo, we start with framing. And then after the framing, we have... and then after the framing, we do the electric rough-in, the plumbing rough-in, the HVAC.
I remember when we were standing here thinking, the stove here, the sink, the layout, Kareem crushed it. Beautiful kitchen, the guy's just doing the final touch-ups.
Excited. What's happening in this? Half bathroom, huh?
So
it's like shaped perfect for a half bath. I remember when we were walking this,
yeah.
We always add half bathrooms on the first floor. So this is shaped perfect. All we have to do is put a door here. You get a nice toilet and vanity here.
We did the half bathroom here.
Okay, so after the kitchen, you walk in here, we got like a nice sunroom, a door that takes you to the back. So you got a nice back area here. So that takes you to outside of the house. And you have a nice storage area here as well from the kitchen. That can be a good pantry.
Let's go outside. Got good weather today. It's all painted. It looked nothing like that before. It's the best thing about what we do is seeing how properties transform. So let's take a look at this extra laundry here. We did the laundry. It's extra, so it would be nice on the first floor. You got the full laundry.
All right, guys, we're done. We're done down here. Right now, we're going upstairs to show the bedroom. To show what?
Second floor. Let's
Second
walk
floor.
into the second floor.
Let's show the second floor.
So we're here on the second floor. We got a shared bathroom right here. Again, nothing have happened, but this is a good flip. It's a really good location. Got plenty of space, plenty of room. So I'm excited to see once we. So I'm excited to see when it's finished. We got the shared bathroom here. Good, decent size for shared bathroom. So we're not changing the layout. The toilet is gonna stay where it's at. The vanity is gonna go here, and then we're gonna have a tub. How many bedrooms here? One, first bedroom. Second bedroom, 3 bedrooms here. So you can see you got the first room here.
Yes.
And then you got the second bedroom. Got the second bedroom here.
Yes. So,
كلم
so are we keeping this wall, this door here, or what are we doing here?
And then we're closing this. So right now we have a captive. So we're gonna. It happens a lot of Pittsburgh houses. You have captive rooms. So we're gonna close this up, and this is gonna be separate second room, and then this is gonna be a third room. And then when you walk into this third bedroom, this is gonna be a master bedroom, remember, right?
Yeah, so this is gonna be the master bedroom here, and we have the bathroom for the room here. So the shower is gonna be here. It says the vanity, and we're gonna have the toilet here. So it's a decent space for the master bedroom. So
yeah, we always add bathrooms. Having a master in a big house like that. How many square feet is this house? 2,000. About This is about 2,000 square feet, so you gotta have a bathroom, you gotta have a master room somewhere.
It's a little touch up, the guy's touching on it, but really finally done. All the stairs, we go with bullnose, so. Remember, we were deciding should we go with the laundry here or where to go, but we did do it downstairs, so it became like a closet. You got the bedrooms on the left here, decent sized bedrooms, and then the shared bathroom. Now these two were connecting. We closed this wall up, and then I remember Ibrahim was explaining how this ended up looking like, so how it looks like now.
All right, let's go to the attic.
So yeah, right now we're heading to the attic, to the third floor. As Omar mentioned in the beginning, it's a decent sized house, big house.
You got one bedroom extra here at the attic, which is a good, decent sized bedroom in the attic. You got a closet. Again, as you can see, lots of drywall work here. Old windows, flooring, new doors. Okay, so we got a decent sized bedroom here in the attic. That gives us 4 bedrooms. One is a master and 2.5 bathrooms.
Now let's go upstairs to the attic. This was a huge drywall budget. Like I was saying, we're gonna skim coat and new drywall all over. As you can see, it's all like fresh, smooth. It did not look like that before. Then up here, you get 2 additional bedrooms, split units. All new electric, plumbing, everything. And that's it. Job is done. And the house actually got sold within a couple hours from listing it. So very proud of the team, and on to the next house.
One, two, three.
All right, guys, so we're here in another friendship. Trying to move a little bit so I can use my hands. As you guys know, Ibrahim is the king of taking down walls. Ibrahim, you took down this wall. Another 1, 2, 1, 2. Working out with Joey still. He only showed up once at Joey, by the way. He only did 1 boxing session his whole life.
You know I'm the best.
All right, so we're here on the 2nd floor. يا عمي سيبها. يلا عشان البطارية.